Welcome back to your morning ritual. Today we're visiting the icon of the indoor world, the Fiddle Leaf Fig. Beautiful but easily misunderstood. If yours is dropping leaves, don't panic. Let's fix it in 3 minutes. The number one reason for leaf drop? Change. These plants hate to move. Find a spot with bright, indirect light and let it stay there. If it's too dark, those bottom leaves will say goodbye. Wait until the top 2 inches of soil are completely dry. Overwatering leads to root rot and brown spots. When you do water, do it deeply until it flows from the drainage holes. Consistency is peace for your ficus. Clean leaves are happy leaves. Dust blocks light and breathing. Wipe them monthly. And remember, they love humidity. Keep it above 50% to prevent those crispy brown edges we all dread. Your fiddle leaf is stronger than you think. Give it stability, and it will give you growth. Which plant should we visit for our ritual tomorrow? Vote 1 for snake plant or 2 for Monstera in the comments. See you in the morning.